stance, right hand, right leg forward. Right, some fighters prefer to fight with their strong hand forward. Same against that right leg kick, powerful as well. Front leg kicks, always less powerful. Obviously, if it's off your more powerful leg, which if you're right-handed and it normally is the same with your leg, it can be a strong kick as we saw there, but this time Matt saw